Okay, hey guys, I'm Jessie Goforth and welcome back to my channel. Today we are joined by Chelsea and Sierra. Again. And today we're going to be making mermaid clear slime.
It's falling off the table.
Oh shoot, far. Help! I need somebody help! Anybody help! That's actually a song.
I did not know that.
I've never heard of it.
Me neither.
It's going to...
Well, we got a whole little baggie full of fishtails. They are all, I think they're all different.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm saying that they're different. I don't know.
Colors.
And since they swim in water, we're going to be turning it blue. Blue. And then we got a bunch of different colored of heart glitter and some other little tubes just so I can get rid of it. So I guess we're just going to start. Will you put some food coloring in here for me? So I guess we're going to...
Here, you literally got it over
Okay,
there.
fine.
Or something.
A little bit more.
Mm.
Right there. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's so pretty.
Wow.
Look at the pretty blue. Oh, it looks like crystal clear water. I guess. So we're going to take the but heart glitter. And we're going to pour it in here. It's like, I wish I could bring you guys closer, but I can't. Come on. I'm not paying you to just sit around.
Oh, okay. I've got the dark purple.
Am I holding this upside down?
You better hope not, because they'll go all over you. Let me see. Yes, you are.
Still saved it. There.
Oh, shoot, I shouldn't have done that.
Uh-oh. It wasn't me, at least.
I didn't do it.
Then go home.
I don't do anything.
Oh, I found some whitish, grayish.
Oh, those are really pretty.
No, let's hope I don't.
I want some purple.
I like these too.
Whee! Okay, that's empty.
I got some purple.
Are we pouring all of these in here?
Of course.
What the heck?
No.
What the heck,
This
Bill?
area. I don't know. Find it.
Me either, I don't know.
What's some... I think I'm holding it upside down. No.
You took the light away, it turned it dark.
Oh, well.
Let there be light!
Look, I decorated the lid.
Make sure you get it all off.
No, I want to put that purple. Come on, Daniel. Let's see, where should I put it? Some here, some.
This isn't even
The rest of it there. Oh!
Yes, they are. You're getting it everywhere.
Well, this slime is going to be very colorful.
Obviously.
We're done with the sprinkles! I still feel that her dad nabbing hair. Where the sprinkles? Where the sprinkles? Look at that sprinkles! Look at that sprinkles! Okay, since we have all of the sprinkles in, I guess we'll just mix it. I still feel it. But there's like nothing there. But I feel it.
Maybe it's a ghost hair.
The F is a ghost hair.
I don't know.
that you cannot see.
Yeah, invisible hair. So sticky as ever.
I know.
It's like sticking to me.
So we got the wrinkle blue slime. And to make it our mermaid slime, we're going to be adding these little fish tails. Crack a sucker open. We got a pumpkin silver, blue and purple. The oddball one, red and gold. So now we are going to be mixing. I think they gave up mixing. Did you?
No.
No, mix it, mix it. Mix it.
Sierra. All of me. Not just
So here is our mermaid slime. It's actually really pretty if it wasn't so freaking sticky. If it wasn't sticky, it would be the best. Oh, sucker.
Great. Just great. That made my day even better.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay, we made her day.
Here, for you.
So I guess
Drop it
that
there
is
again.
it for this video.
It's all over the table.
Now we're going to need some suggestions on some videos that you guys want to see. So, what do we do?
Make some suggestions. I don't know what we should do.
Where?
Comment center. Comment area. Oh no! Jessica's not saying anything.
Hey, I'm just standing here, honestly. I'm just sitting here.
I say comment section, so.
I was trying to say that.
She didn't know what to say.
So yeah, be sure to let us know what video you guys would like to see, and we will try to make it happen. So let us know in the comments down below. And I guess we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Ah, you got